Doodlebug and Dandelion, Mystery of the Bandits. "Who's been fooling around with my stuff?" Doodlebug demanded one drizzly morning at breakfast. He glared at Cousin Rudy, who was staying with the Pinkleys for a few days. Then he eyed his sister, Dandelion, suspiciously. "What in the world are you talking about, love?" Mrs. Pinkley asked, as she passed him a bowl of cereal. "We wouldn't touch your super silly stuff," Dandelion shot back. Rudy giggled his agreement. "My two little leather suitcases out on the back porch," Doodlebug explained. "Somebody keeps opening the suitcases and digging around inside them. I think stuff could even be missing. I know I had half a turkey sandwich in there." "That stuff out there?" Dandelion rolled her eyes. "I'm sure Rudy and I don't need any of your stuff. It's just balled up string and smelly old bottle caps, and we can make our own sandwiches in the kitchen." "Then why are the suitcases always open every day when I go out there? And why are there all those scratches on them? You guys are ruining my stuff." Dandelion's eyes lit up. She loved a good mystery.